All right, what's up, guys? Apologies for the later stream. Fridays are the day that I hang out with my girlfriend, so I'm spending time with her. So we are finally getting started back up. As for what I think I'm gonna do today, I'm still kind of conflicted. I feel like I'm gonna go with the path of what's up, cheese? What was I saying? I'm gonna go down the path of get a V0 front end up, and then just so I can like not be squinting at JSON, you know. So I have my little AI do that, and then try to get a good like amount of back end stuff done. Like I know for sure I want at least min raises. I want to try to figure out like the hand simulations thing, like the Monte Carlo simulations of just like running a bunch of them and seeing if we can predict winners. And maybe like display strengths or something. Not too sure. I want to explore that though. And there's a couple other things like gracefully handling exits and stuff like that that I want to figure out. Because right now, like if you like disconnect, it just like kills my program, which that's not good, you know. So yeah, that's the basic plan. First, we will go through leetcode. Oh, also, let me pull this up. I have news. Look at this. My first ever, which is crazy to say, but literally my first ever technical interview offer. I don't think I'm even gonna get the job, probably, like just from a realistic standpoint, but like it feels good to finally get like just at least have someone take a shot at me trying, you know? Congrats, bro. Thank you. So I'm very happy about that. Even if I don't get a job, like realistically, I think I'm okay because I finally got like someone to read my resume and not like kill me. Oh, also, cheese. I'd like somebody in my YouTube comments, which was very valid. Where is it? Bum, bum, bum. Yeah. This lead software developer. So in my resume right now, I have like software intern and then lead software developer. I put lead software developer because it was a startup at like through Northwestern and I was the sole dev on the project. So like the application that I like went through literally said lead software dev. But this guy was like saying a good point of I would just say intern regardless because like it's kind of unrealistic to say you were the lead software dev even if you were. Like it's kind of better to say you're a software engineer intern. I would love to hear your thoughts. I don't think it matters much, but I kind of I leaned towards agreeing with him, like thinking about it, because it gives kind of like lead software dev, like you would say lead software? Interesting. Maybe I'll ask in the Discord later though. I'd like to see other people's opinions because I don't know. Like I applied as like that was the role that I applied for, even though it was like a startup. Whatever. All right. I don't think it's that far-fetched at all. Okay, cool. Stella, congrats, dude. Thank you. Hey, what got you into coding? So I didn't code until my senior year of high school, and I took APCS, and I thought, hey, this is really cool. And I was going to apply to schools as mechanical engineering, and I started doing CS, and I was always going to apply for Mech E because I was like, I love building shit. And then I realized I can build shit on my computer at 3 in the morning, or like right now at 12:30, I can work on like software that I can use. Like, I was like, that's sick as fuck. I'm doing this. So the idea of building whenever and wherever. You worked hard? Thanks, man. Still got to grind it out. Still got to get through it. I'll figure out something. All right, let's do this. Enough 5 minutes and 42 seconds of yap. Oh, and as I said that, my girlfriend texted me. She got home, so. Knock on wood, if they do end up passing you, always write a follow-up email. Sounds good. Yeah, the first part, it's honestly pretty cool. It's like, I read through it. They want the first part to be like, spend 30 minutes or an hour doing like any project you want to do. Like either if, I'm assuming I can do like a feature, like I was thinking of implementing like a feature on any food, like adding ratings for food or something. But it was like, spend 30 to an hour and then record like a little 5-minute blurb, like about what you built, why you built it, like the stack you use, stuff like that, which I thought was like really cool. And then after you do that, you like do like a 20-minute like technical interview is what they said, but like no way it's a 20-minute technical. I'm imagining it's just like talk about the project, talk about yourself, because there's no way they're asking like lead code problems in 20 minutes. What happened? You got a job? I got an interview, which is pretty good news. No job yet though. All right. I'm gonna ignore chat for like 3 minutes so I can just read this and try to formulate stuff in my head. You're given a 0 index string blocks of length n or blocks at I. It's either W or B representing the color of the ith block. The characters W and B are white and black. You're also given an integer k, which is the desired number of consecutive black blocks. Consecutive black blocks. God, that's okay. Say that 3 times fast. In one operation, you can recolor a white block such that it becomes a black block. Becomes a black block. Okay, sure. Return the min number of operations needed such that there is at least one occurrence of the k consecutive black blocks. Love your consistency. Thanks, man. Okay, so it's just like a bit flipping thing. I'm like thinking sliding window is like what my brain goes to. Like maybe prefix with sliding window. Oh, that's the wrong. That's my networking homework. Ignore that. Because I'm thinking like if you have... I don't like how long these examples are. So say we have this, and we want to know consecutive black blocks. So if we prefixed, no, because they're not consecutive. Then like some type of sliding window, surely. Because we have consecutive, meaning if k is 7, we can really only look like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like, we just like look at the windows. But the thing is, I don't want to be traversing. It's like, I need an efficient way of knowing how many blocks are in this window. Because obviously there's the brute force way. Obviously. I don't know why my brain is like not working for this. I'm just really trying to think. Let me reread this. See the WB representing at block. Actually, n is only 100. We could so just brute force this. Like, it's not good. But like, even O of n squared is, what, 10,000? Like, that's like nothing. Oh, fuck it, I'm doing that. If you're gonna give me 10,000 as an n squared worst case, fuck you, I'm doing that. So res equals float, or res equals 0. Or no, this would be float infinite. Because 0 is the best case. And then for L in range, n minus k. R equals L plus K. Or wait. Yeah, because we have to traverse, right? Because we're pretty much just, I don't know if this is right, but like the way I'm thinking about it is like our L starts here, and this is our R, and our R does this little traversal for the whole thing, counts the number we'd have to flip, and then that's for like that block. There has to be a better way to do this, but whatever. I don't know if I love this. Like, it should work. I'm so bad at leetcode. What's up, Tracy? So we go from n minus k, which like should be fine. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we go, yeah, 0 to 3. And then go from L plus 1 to L plus K, or L plus, Flip plus equals 1 if R is that. Yeah. Got any interviews? I did get my first technical interview offer today. I got to do some stuff before it, though. But yeah. I'm going to work on... It's like you have to spend 30 minutes to an hour, like, working on some project. Like, literally anything. Just pick your own thing. But, like, document the process. Then, like, make a little 5-minute video. Make a little 5-minute video on what you're doing. And then you actually set up, like, a meeting with the recruiter. What comp if you can share? I actually have no fucking clue. I tried looking, because it's one of those, like, I've applied to so many on Handshake and, like, LinkedIn. I couldn't find the role. I tried to, like, find what the job description was and stuff, and they don't have it in the email. So I have no clue. I have absolutely no clue. Typically, the ones I applied to were, like, 20 an hour, though. Like, 18 to 20 an hour. So probably somewhere in that range. Oh, I'm so used to nums. Nice, yeah. I mean, regardless, it's good practice. What? Why does my window fail for this? Because it'll never get into here. Because it's n minus k. And if n and k are the same, then that's 0. Did we just handle that before? Is that a bad solution to just handle it before? I feel like I'm just doing sliding window wrong. I feel like I always do sliding window wrong. It's just quite funny. What's up, Sam? How you doing, man? Do I handle it before? How many other ones did I fill? So I filled quite a bit other ones. What other cases would my thing not return for, though? Like if k is 0, can k be 0? No, k is 1. Oh, whatever. Fuck off, bro. What am I doing? 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so it's something with my flipping that's wrong. I'm gonna be honest, I don't give a fuck. What am I sliding my window wrong? I got an interview. I got one interview, baby. So, we'll see how it goes. Yeah, I still have to do like, I should probably just put this in like the description or something. But I have to do like a mini project before the interview. Just being like, it's not the way of do a mini project that they assign me. It's like, just them what they're gonna ask you. No, it's here, let me see if I can pull it up. No, the actual technical, like, I don't know if it's gonna be a technical, to be honest, because the structure that it is like, here. So it's this code high school thing, and the interviews are only 20 minutes on Zoom. So, like, that's no time to do like a leetcode or something, because you just wouldn't talk to the person. So it's like I do a little mini project of my own desire from what I could read. Obviously, I'm not gonna like click into the stuff, but I like do my own mini project, and I record like a 5-minute video of what I did in that project, like what stack I used, yada yada. Yeah, exactly. So I also don't think it's gonna be a leak code interview, which I think then, which means will mean I will do better because I definitely need to hard prep some of the behavioral stuff. Like I said this before, but I feel like I'm like a very strong candidate if it's like just a natural flowing conversation. I am much worse when it's like, tell me about a time where you failed and like somebody was asking you, or like like you had pressure on you or something like that. Yeah, exactly. It's probably going to be like some of those questions. I'm also imagining it'll be like questions about the project itself. One thing I'm going to look into though for this is I don't know if I'm allowed to like make a feature instead of like making a whole new project, because what I was thinking of doing is twosome is crazy. I'm thinking of adding like a feature of of reviews for food. Reviews meaning just like they had chicken parmesan at Sergeant. Fuck, man. I should have gone to Sergeant. I want to add like stars for, like, add like stats for this stuff where it's like most starred item, or like where you can, I don't know, right click or something and like rate a food out of 5 stars, something like that. Yeah, I definitely have to prepare those behavioral. Yeah, I got to go through and just mock a bunch of those. Yeah, I won't memorize, but I feel like I need like just a basic launch point for myself, you know? Because I was fully freeballing when you were asking me them, Sam. Like, it was so apparent. Oh, how does this work with one loop? If I minus k is greater than equals 0 and blocks. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Got a loaner Mac from work today. I'm setting up a Minecraft server on it. That's quite nice. I just went through and made like dot files for like the first time, which I like definitely should have done. Like, I like had an epiphany that I was like, I'd be really scared if like my laptop just fucking bricked out of nowhere, because like I've spent like too much time setting up random shit on here. All right. What was I gonna do? Yes, I'm going to. Everyone, look away if you hate AI. I'm gonna try to get a very, very, very basic like React front end for this thing working, just because I want to focus more on the backend stuff, but I don't want to be looking at JSON. So nobody sue me. Nobody sue me. I promise I'll go back through later on. But for right now, when I was home for a vacation, I left my laptop in the car and Chicago winter killed it. Oh my God. Consider yourself sued. Damn it, John. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No, I'm fucking with you. I did read a little bit more on HTMX. I think it's very interesting. I do think it's interesting. I just think it's not what I'm like more interested in right now. And I also don't think, like, if it was something I thought would benefit me, I think I'd do it. But like realistically, no companies that I'm applying to like are going to use HTMX or be impressed by HTMX or be impressed that I know HTMX. Like anyone looking at my resume is like a recruiter has no fucking clue what that is. So I don't think it matters. I'll do it when I find the enjoyment to do it. What a prompt from me. Can. I'll use it. Can you design me a basic poker single page that thick poker table, graphic and spots for different seats with cards that are covered user besides for their own cards. And the whole card, or in the community cards, displayed in the center of the table alongside alongside the pot size as a number. Right now, this is HTML that I am using. Just use this in regards to know the WebSocket connection and what type of payloads to send. Or actually, because I changed this. Furthermore, here is the JSON types you will get back. Public is for everyone. Private is client specific. I think so. I have no clue. I don't use V0 very often, but we'll see. I'm probably gonna have to change like a good amount of it, but it'll give me a better launching point so I can just work on backend stuff. All right. Let's see what it gives me. I'm probably going to have to yoink some NU food stuff. In regards to like setting up components and stuff, but we'll see. look at it go. 10x the programmer I'll ever be. See, the funny thing is, like, using this in real time, I know, like, for a fact, when I post this as, like, a YouTube video, I'm gonna get, like, some comment in, like, a week that's like, you're using AI, you're not gonna learn anything, like, you should just quit, like, never use AI if you're looking for a job, or something like that. I know it's gonna happen. It happens, like, every time I either talk about AI or I use AI. There's somebody that comes in telling me, like, the world is gonna end and I'm the worst person ever. Haters gonna hate. Dude, I know, but sometimes people are, like, so specific. It's, like, kind of funny. It's like, I'm just, literally, the whole point of starting this channel, I just wanted to document my shit. People are coming over here, like, projecting my future is gonna be, like, the underworld. It's like, my fault. What the fuck is that scroll area? What are they doing? What the fuck is this? I wanted a single page. Sure. Cool. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, we have some copying to do. So tailwind config looks normal. Main index dark mode, sure. And app.tsx. Okay, so this is the main thing. So we keep our state, open our WebSocket up. A WebSocket reference? Is this like a use ref type of thing? Yeah, okay. So it's a use ref type of thing. On message. Okay, this all makes sense. On error, just say on close, yeah. Return this on close. Add to log is just set the logs. Okay, I mean, this is a lot just the same of what I had in the index.html. Action panel, poker table. Okay, I mean, all that's very reasonable. It's very understandable. Okay. Receipt. Okay. Okay. What did I not look at? Action panel. Oh, these are just buttons. Okay. All right. Let's get to doing the worst thing ever, which is copying AI code. Like, you know what I should low-key do? I should just do backend. People die if you say, shit! Shit. No, say it isn't so. Dude, the AI Slenderman. Fuck! I didn't even think of that. Alright, I should probably hit GPT Warrior. I told you I told you, without fail. Like a moth to a flame. Like a moth to a flame, I called that shit. Such is life. Hee hee boo boo. Seems like you're developing a poker game. Is it going good so far? Yeah, it's going good. This is a project mostly that I'm just focusing on the back end stuff, like fully making the evaluator and stuff, and all that logic. So right now I'm just copying front end code that V0 made because I don't give a shit about front end for right now. Like this project, I'm not really caring too much about the front end. But yeah, it's going well. It's very fun. Cannot determine executable to run. Hope you get a job soon, bro. Thank you. Thanks, man. All right. No tailwind config found. Why is there no tailwind config? I should make a tailwind. Put the front end in a hash map. Damn right. Where are you from? I just finished my liquor grind. It's 2 a.m. Shit hurts my brain. You're more dedicated than me. I did the easy and hopped out. It's 1 a.m. for me. I'm from like Central Time. I'm from Chicago. You a new grad? Nah, I'm a sophomore. I like just installed. Bro. Grew up in Chicago? Surrounding area. I did not grow up downtown. Did I like not write this or something? There's a new tier? No shit, so did I. Wait, that's crazy. No shit. Do you want me to resubmit your referral? I don't know why it takes so long. I have no clue, Alex. If you think it would help, I'm totally down to resubmit the application. That's crazy, John. What the fuck? Wait, what? What year? (2017). Okay, I was 2023, so I missed you by a little bit. That's fucking crazy. Why is this not working? Spencer Liffendahl? I know that last name. Let me see. Let me look him up. Let me see what he looks like. Oh, no, I didn't know him. I know that last name, though. That's because that's fucking crazy. It's a Firefrost. You know what I'm probably going to do? I'm probably just going to take NU Foods thing, to be honest with you. Bro, there's no way 3 of us went to Nutria. I disagree. What are you making? I'm trying to get like a fucking AI front end up for I'm making like a poker game. Why don't you recall my hash map joke? I might be missing something, but you just keep saying put the front end in a hash map, and I don't understand the hash map joke. If I'm being like, if we're being real and vulnerable right now, I don't know what you mean. Why is this not working? All right. Stack you using? Did the backend in Go because I wanted to learn more about like Go WebSockets. No, I was gonna do HTMX, but I got skill issued, and I don't want to like be staring at unknowing stuff for hours. I swapped from CE to CS. I always get skill issued. Welcome to the club. I feel like I just already did this stuff. Hey, you like Evanston? I love Evanston. To be honest, I am a big fan. I'm very biased though, because I mean, I love Northwestern. Front end written in, it's going to be React. If I can get this bullshit up. How'd you learn React? To be honest, a lot of suffering. Also, what I'm realizing, I'm just gonna go copy over I'm gonna copy over my NU Food front end, just so I can already have like a launching point. Like I don't really give a shit. I'll delete a bunch of stuff. Okay, where would that be? So then we can actually like get to kind of have this set up. Honestly, Toast, just fail a lot. Dude, I remember like the first time I ever used React was at this like summer startup last year that I did, like over last summer. I had never done async programming in my life. Like I didn't know anything about web dev. Nothing. Negative, if anything. So I was like, first day, I hit it with like a x equals 5, x plus equals 5, console.log x, and that shit was not 6. And I was so confused, like you've never seen before. It was insane. It's not 6. It's like, because of async stuff, when you like log what x is, unless you like await the +1 or you wrap it in some type of like I forget what it is, but like pretty much the threads happen at different times, so like it can just be 5, like when you execute the log, and then the +1 can come after, and then you just don't know. And I was like, oh, what the fuck is happening? I hate everything. Like I hate everything, real talk. Okay. Sorry, I'm just copying this over on my other monitor. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Why is this taking so long to copy over? What the fuck is happening? Can this just like stop being annoying? Okay. Should be copied over now. Okay. Yeah. So let me nuke most of this shit. Hit the little view. You can get this up on the side. So in my source, I just want components, context I can nuke. You know, what are we working on? We were working on copying over some AI front end, and then we're gonna work on back end for a poker project. What is in lib? Is this just like util? Okay, it is. I have no fucking clue what that does, but sure. Okay, and then honestly, we could get rid of most of this, right? Or types will keep the folder up, but we'll delete these. We'll just delete this folder because we only have one page. It's a single page. Seems fine. Action panel. One thing about V0 is it like always thinks you're using Next.js. So it like always has this like use client stuff at the top. Even though like I told that I'm using Invite. Actually, is that a thing, Invite? Maybe I just don't know. See if we can get this up quick. And then we'll start debugging this for a little bit. Hopefully by the end of the stream we'll have a front end up. That would be cool, I think. What's up? Okay. Types. Does a card come back as that? We might have to change that. We will need to change this. We might be able to depth the back end. What's your background? So I got this poster at my college fair. Okay. I don't really have a specific background, to be honest. I'm kind of just jumping around everywhere. I'm very new to like the programming stuff. Yeah, no, I know. I meant like, I took it as a joke because I don't really have a background. What's up, Damien? Yeah, I'm kind of just like jumping around trying to figure out what in CS I like really like, you know? Okay, well, this stuff seems fine. Need a felt picture and a card back pattern. Okay. Been a chef for almost 25 years. Been trying to learn myself, but currently working my ass off. Holy shit, man. You're a grinder. I got mad respect for that. Chef for 20... What made you want to do the switch? It's just like an empty... Freaking Balatro too. I'm, in fact, redoing the wheel of a poker game. This is gonna look so bad, but whatever. Where is my fucking project? What am I supposed to name this? Like Poker Felt or something? Why not just do the CSS? Because I don't want to do front end. Working is dumb stressful, and I spend most of my time on the PC anyways. Oh, interesting. I wish you best of luck, man. Fellow Envimer? Yeah, man. Fair. Thank you. I appreciate it. There are, like, it's just, like, I just don't want to do it. Oh my god. Strom like the English teacher? Because if so, to my knowledge, yes. To my knowledge, he was there when I was. Do leetcode? No. I did in the beginning of the stream, you just missed it. Did I not? Where the fuck did I just save that to? What? Who are other, like, old teachers we might have had in common? Like, did you know Mr. Goodwin? I do my favorite. Didn't have him. I mean, there is a case where, like, people could be there and then we just didn't have them. The fuck is leetcode 442? I probably won't. It's probably just some XR stuff. Right, and imagine like some type of prefix XOR stuff. I don't really know. All right. XOR? I don't know then, buddy. I'm not doing it. I looked at it for 2 seconds. Dude, what? Holy shit, V0 cooked. What the fuck? Wait, this is kind of insane, no? Kind of insane, no? Or wait, air. Hub.go. Okay, we already have problems. But the front end looks cool. Why? Okay, so it's not the most reactive. That's fine. Why are we disconnected from the server? The V0 did kind of cook. Oh, so it's trying to connect from... So how do I make it like... Oh, I guess he's gonna keep using AI for his front end. Because it looks like it's prefixing with its own... 514074 is where front end is being hosted. But it seems like it's appending, but I don't know how to do like a dry no append. Let's see if V0 can fix this. Why is the... fuck is it changing? Oh shit. Why can it not find this? Dude, what is it? Unexpected end of file? Brother, what? Ugh. I hate this shit so much. Just work, bro. This is a read error. It closed because of unexpected end of file. Sectors my backend gave me? It's just the run. Let's see if this helps. I'm just gonna see if we can fully, you know, brain dead dev our way to a front end. I think that'd be pretty cool. Do the classic turn your brain off. Classic. Alright, why is this like killing itself? What the fuck? It says it's connected. See if we can join table 1. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're connected. Oh shit. Oh, it's so stupid that you can do this. That's not bad. Alright. Alright, we're gonna need 2 players though. I also want to redo, where would this be? No, it may be up a level. Where would that be actually? Index. What's up, Janine? Alright, yeah, it's gonna have these like socket closes, which are not very good, but whatever. I don't really care. Let's pull these down. See if we can get 2 players running. Or maybe 3. What's up, code? Code? You? Coding. You? Oh, me? I'm coding. Why is it disconnecting? Oh, because it didn't get... How did we get here? A V0. Swag, we're connected. Yippee! Yeah, we hit the little AI front end because I didn't want to deal with it. Okay, is this going to take my job anyway? I might as well have fun with it. Okay. So let's have it all join table 1. Is that working? Do we see things? We do. Let's say we start the game. So we have our hole cards. Cool. So it'd go small blig under the gun, which means check, 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 should get community cards. Okay, cool. So now I just need to work on having it show the actual data. What's up, Hannah? Okay. That's cool. So let's try to figure out the payloads that we are getting in our app. Because I think what's happening is our card is just wrong. Like if we go to message.go, what is a card type in here? It is table type card. So I gotta recreate, which is just a string. Okay. I should probably figure out how to split this up. Dude, I'm not even hosting this, Ben. What's up, Siddharth? Can you do like this? No, I don't know if like the TypeScript works. I thought that just said I can do that. Okay, so I can. So stop yelling at me. What's up, Shannon? I'm going to alias as a string, just because eventually I'll change it, but for right now, like, my backend is just a string, so I want it as a string, just so I can, like, see the data coming in. I'll fix that graphic eventually, shortly. Why are they all disconnecting? Java. Now the front end is a TypeScript. I need to figure out why this like disconnection is happening, but it's later Aiden problem. No way, this is not Java. You want to bet? You want to bet? So we have whole cards. with the state updates. Wait, actually, in my backend, where do I encode the type again? So they literally all just get, okay. I see the problem. Oh no, it's just a message. We should have table ID and stuff. Now your streams are amazing ASMR. That's hard to believe, but cool. Wait. Now I'm confusing myself. So a game message is different than a message. Let me just get rid of this, honestly. I don't like stacking them like that. So we send a message to broadcast. Ah, because we only send the message.content. Okay, so I think every time I do a game message, I'll just also encode. You do this every day? So Darth, what do you think coding every day means? Yes, I do this every day. For 80 days, believe it or not. Oh, so the winner should actually be game end. Make me look bad. I promise there's no way my code makes anyone look bad. Alright. So yeah, it's probably gonna error out because I don't fully understand this. So everything connected. Now let's join table, join table, join table. Okay, so now we're getting public state. Okay, okay, wait. Let me put one of these on its own monitor. Night night, Siddharth. Cool. We have back of cards. It's not correct, like, in terms of looking at it, but, like, if we expand enough, you can kind of see that there are players. This is hilarious. Okay. So we start the game. So we started the game. Why are they all waiting their turn, though? What the fuck happened? Oh, brother. What broke? Nothing broke, but the action should be on player 2, but player 2 killed itself. Classic. Classic. Classic player 2. Spent today trying to get a works neutered AI platform. Just kept telling me it was PII and couldn't do it. Then I said, give it. Don't you love the state of software engineering? Why can I not check? This seems wrong. So it's disabled, or if you're not active. How do I determine if you're active? Plugin gives vertical bars. Ah, shit. Might be a snacks plugin. Dude. Indent? I think it might be this. It's quite fun. Why did I say it like that? It's not fun, but it's very helpful because you know, notice. Oh yeah, on like watching videos and shit, yeah. So is active as a boolean, which we pass in from GameState.currentTurn equals player ID. So what is my player ID? I'm just wondering like if player ID gets set correctly. So we're logging data. Set private state, set player ID. So data.payload.player ID. If it's a join response. Oh, I just don't send a join response, like for sure. Where would that be though? Would that be like handle init? So that's broadcast private. Do I have a handle join? That's just broadcasting state. Do I make its own private thing? I feel like I just need to rework this like game message shit. Because I either have, like, I'm only getting public state back, or I can just rework the app, to be honest. No, but I never set the, like, the client never knows what player ID it is. Actually, how the fuck does the client know? Because the client object has a player ID, if I recall. Yeah. I could attach it here. Like, I could do something really hacky, which is the fuck is the backtick on this? I wonder if this will brick it. Can you like spread up right? No? Okay. I guess I was too hopeful. Wait, because I could have sworn you write messages from like... Wait, could I just send a message? What is the error it gives me? That's probably because safe send expects message of bytes. And contents is bytes. Okay, that makes more sense. So actually, it's not a game message that I want. It's Oh, motherfucker. I forgot this is just gonna be a channel. It's a channel of bytes, so I can't append something like that to it. Oh, good luck, man. Dude, try out new of them for like a couple months. You'll learn some motions, go back to an IDE. It's the move. Alright, so that was a really stupid idea. Alta say, awful idea. Sometimes you gotta make the awful idea. Okay, what are other ways that I could do this, though? Like, I just need the client to be able to know their player ID. Like, I could in like broadcast private and take in like I'm gonna try that. I just need like a join state. Right? It seems like it. I'm just gonna hack something together, I don't really care. It'd have to be something like, can I just yoink this? What are you working on? Trying to make a poker game. Working on the back end right now. All right. Okay. Okay. So they should all know what player they are, which is good. So let's say we start the game. See what like the action should be on player 3. So it's disabled if you're not active, or we pass a disabled flag. Game state.current turn equals player ID. Got a job? I did not. I got an interview, so I can at least attempt. I'm not sure we start all this in the error thing. What's your tech stack looking like for this project? React, TypeScript for front end, Go for back end. So it'd be the return type. Fifth round? Holy shit. So we should be in public state. Set game state to payload. Why backend and Go? Literally no reason. I just thought it was fun. I just enjoy writing Go. I was like, I want to try some WebSockets. Let's use Go. Better than Node.js backend? Maybe. I don't know. I enjoy writing it more than JavaScript, so I do. It's probably worse for my career-wise that I enjoy it more than a JavaScript backend, but such is life. Why is this not working? Because Payload has the same. So it's player ID that's not getting set? Wait, but why? Because I changed the payload. What a funny guy I am. If it isn't the consequences of my own actions. Look at that, your player ID. Start game. So we have hole cards. The action is on us, so we can check. We can check. We then get cards to come up. Okay, we can check. We can check. We can check. We can check. 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 We should get winners. Bang! Alright. I'm happy with this for today. Seems fine. I'm gonna go commit this. We're gonna come back tomorrow, work some more on this. Hopefully actually work on the backend tomorrow, but I got most of what I wanted. I'm actually, like, I have to fix some stuff up here, because, like, it looks like shit. Or, doesn't look like shit, but it doesn't look the best, like I want it to. This has been day 82. Thank you all for stopping by. Good luck on an interview. Actually, it might be like a week until I do that, but thank you. Thank you all for sticking by. See you for day 83 tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good night.